Hi and welcome to program 36 in this series of programs and tutorials that focus on TradeStation Easy Language. If you're not part of our email list, then go to markplex.com and I'll let you know when I create new programs or tutorials. So this new program is actually just a modified version of program 36, and both programs are available at markplex.com, and I'll show you where in a moment. Now, if you remember, in program 36 what we were doing was calculating up or down moves in on a zigzag, and then once they were calculated, storing them in an array, finding an average, and then using that average to draw a horizontal line to sort of try and predict future zigzags based on price moves. So specifically, say for example we had an up move confirmed, we would calculate the difference in price, which in this case appears to be 32. That would be stored in a vector, the size of the vector determined by the user. And then when a down pivot, when the down pivot has been completed and we're starting an up move, so when that is confirmed, what we then do, what we then did in program 36, is added the average of all those up moves stored in the vector to try and plot a level where that new zigzag may or may not turn. So what I've done in this program is, in addition to finding the average of the values stored in the vector, I've also found the minimum one and the maximum one, and we've done the similar thing for down moves. So you can see here on this mini Dow chart, you can see three horizontal lines, and the lower one in this case is the minimum of using the minimum value of those up moves stored in the vector. The middle one is the average, and then the top one is using the maximum of those moves stored in the vector. And as I say, you can determine how many of these up moves or down moves can be stored in the vector using a user input. So just to have a look at the inputs, which are not too different from program 36, and if you're interested in this, you might want to just have a look at program 36 video as well. But it's going to double click on this. I've called it _ program 36 space ADV, and the only difference really is that we've included some new colors. So I've called them top line average, top lines max, top line min, and also bottom line AVG, bottom line max, and bottom line min. Apart from that, the program is very much the same as program 36, including the number zigzags in vector, which you can set. In this case, I've just got it set to 2. So if you're interested in the program, just go to program 36 at the Markplex programs, and if you scroll down to the bottom of program 36, I've added some information about this new program there. And what I've also done is given the opportunity to download a bundle of products, including this program, program 36, and program 29, which is related, and you can download those at a discount there. I've called it the advanced bundle. Anyway, I hope you might find this useful.